Good morning, people of the evil net. Working on the Tigra. So the speakers in a Tigra are notorious for being pretty rubbish. My son has kindly donated some brand new kicker speakers. Well, seems to fit that way. Well, it seems to work okay, so that'll do. Right, so door panel back on. And there you go, we are complete. That works all right. Handle back on, everything's secure, no rattles, and well, speakers in there. Well, there you go. That was a bit of a mixed bag. I may put an Android head unit in there. I've seen people in the shelf behind the seats as well create a subwoofer station. No, too old for that.